let's describe what is the 5 apps and the most useful for everyday life. These 5 apps you can easily use for this any kind of things and any kind of resolution of your daily hacks. So let's move on to the mobile screen. I just have told about the 5 important apps which is make genius in your mobile and which is very important and useful app in your Android set. So you can took this from Google Play Store. The first one of is call blocker. You can see and you can right here that you can find it easily. There is a lot of call blocker is here, but I think that is the call blocker block calls. That's already installed in my phone. Let's see. That's one of the main important things which guys you have gonna discussing about the scam calls and the unknown numbers. That's why you can think you should have to block for the maximum time or minimum time for the way. Then you just can use it. Here's the using part, and it's simple to use. So if you just gonna there incoming call option or call block locks incoming, then you can call block from here. Okay, that's the first one. And we are going to the next one. Then see, the next is much more important for the designers and who are wanna make PNG files, who are wanna make to PNG files. Let's see, that's the remove BG. That's the basically a background removing software, and it's online based software, also free. Just you can just see how can it works. I'm just showing you how can easy it work, and it's used very free and very easy to use. Okay, let's see. I'm just using I'm taking pictures from my gallery. Then see it's my picture, and I'm just clicked here, and it's being removing my background. Just my picture will be dropped here, nothing else much more. Let's see, it's taking some times. It's already been uploaded. Remember the name, that's the remove BG option. Then it's already removing, and you just wait for 1 second, and it's removed full clear. Here's the no bleachings, and here's the no leakings of any kind of things, and you just can see that that's how much easy. And you can download the file. That moment you can download the file from here, and it's being downloaded. Okay, then number 3 is InShot. And InShot basically video editing software, a video maker and video editor software. Here you can also you can edit your pictures also, and you can colleagues from here, and it's very easy, and you can use it from Google Play Store. But if you want to use a whole version, then you can just download it from Google Chrome. You can write here, that's InShot Pro mod APK. Then you can download from here APK done, and InShot app. They'll look like any kind of websites. Then you the most important and most genius app, the name of number 4, that's the name of Pinterest. That's the Pinterest app. It's much more beautiful and much more genius app for you. You can find it here the lot of pictures which you can never seen. You can see the discover new ideas. There is you can get the lot of logo background. There is a lot of background and HD quality HD quality wallpaper, also everything, and also PNG file also texture, also font texture, you can find it here. So it's the most important and most genius app for your phone. And that is the last option. I just forgot it. I just written it here. You can take a screenshot from here. That is the last app. It's Painter. That Painter apps, basically you can explore your design. Look like here is the Painter apps, I think. Painter, that is the full name is Infinite Painter. Infinite Design also been, but I will prefer you Infinite Painter. Infinite Painter is where you wanna draw a great picture. Here's the update version, but I don't update it because if you install it from Google Play Store, then you should you can just use it for the 7 days. So you should have to upload it from Google Chrome or